Hello, welcome to the video instructions for Module 2. Module 2 is going to include content from our free online link to the OER. You have access to your OER materials through the links posted in Canvas. I'll also post the link in the announcements, and the link is also on your syllabus. This means that you have access to your book even before the course starts. If you are the type of person who would like to write on your book, you are welcome to save the book in PDF format and print it out. That's not required though. You will find success in this course just by accessing and reading those chapters on the free link. Aside from chapter 1 of your OER, which is Introduction, I have also posted a chapter summary. In the chapter summary, I've added some key concepts that I find are important to understanding the introduction to this course. I have also created a PowerPoint for this course. Each module will contain PowerPoints that focus on each chapter. Be sure to read your chapter, be sure to go over the chapter summary, and be sure to review those PowerPoints. This way, you have multiple times of interacting with the course material, and each time you'll get more and more confident with it. For Module 2, you will be completing the usual assignments. These assignments include a discussion board, a video response, and a quiz. Please look to Canvas for the specific due dates for each of those assignments. And before I finish this Module 2 instruction video, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about statistics in terms of their use. You come across statistics every day in regular interactions by watching social media, television, reading advertisements, visiting stores, even at work. The first chapter of the OER is getting you ready to understand that we need to be responsible consumers of statistics. Unfortunately, we're in a day and age where people oftentimes use numbers to support information or specific points of views. And we need to be able to look at that information and determine whether or not it's credible, how the information was collected and measured, and what it really means for real-life implications. This introductory chapter will set the foundation for some of the key concepts that you're going to see repeatedly throughout the course. One particular concept is the idea of taking a smaller group of people, collecting information on that group, and then using that information and those findings to make generalizations about a larger group of people. What I'm referring to here is the idea of sample data being representative of the population. We need to always be conscious of what the sample looks like before we can make generalizations about people beyond that sample. We'll look at measurement of information about the sample, which we call statistics, and use that to understand information about the population, which we call parameters. Please take your time in going over the chapter and completing the assignments for the module. And if you have any questions or concerns, you're welcome to reach out to me or to post those on the discussion board Q&A for the course. When you post information there, you give your peers an opportunity to also learn from your question. Lastly, don't forget that in your discussion board, you need to be replying to your peers in a professional way. This means using a professional greeting like hello, good morning, good afternoon. And it also means signing your discussion board responses. Okay, that's all the information for this Module 2 instruction video. I will see you back in Module 3 instructions.